wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids bracelet makers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Turn short and snappy sayings into a fashion statement with the Text Cool Studio. It comes with 35 patterned bands and colorful clasps, plus text and emoticon wheels that can emboss everything from names and hashtags to secret codes and inside jokes. Refills are readily available, and it's intuitive and easy to figure out. However, it doesn't always stamp evenly. At number 9, the Alex Toys DIY Friends Forever makes 22 bracelets and allows users to weave diamonds, hearts, stripes, and flowers into their creations. All the supplies come in a compact carrying case, making it perfect for crafting on the bus, in the car, or at a friend's house. It includes gold and silver thread, along with 4 color-coded looms, but the instructions are hard to follow. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the cra-z-art cra-z-loom comes with an instructional booklet that features both simple and advanced arrangements with easy step-by-step illustrations and photos, which is helpful if you've just begun. It's sturdy enough for even the most rambunctious kids. This is a great unisex option that includes 10 emoji beads. However, it takes some practice to get the hang of it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Bracelet Makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, suitable for making a wide variety of cute and colorful accessories like lanyards, rings, and necklaces, the Beadery Wonder Loom arrives with 600 latex-free rubber bands. There's no setup necessary, and the instructions are simple to follow, so getting started is easy. It includes a sturdy crochet hook and is made in the United States, but it does require some patience. Moving up our list to number 6. The loopdedoo spinning uses ordinary embroidery floss to create one-of-a-kind woven pieces in just minutes. Kids can change the thickness, looping style, thread quantity, and color combination to make their own special patterns and arrangements. It doesn't require any batteries and comes with a convenient storage drawer. However, the knobs don't spin smoothly. Halfway up our list at number 5. If your crafty child loves all things nautical, then the Creativity for Kids Mermaid will be a hit. Its plethora of sea-themed charms can be braided with purple, pink, aqua, or tan cords, using a shiny fin tool that holds unfinished projects and keeps them from unraveling. It's offered in a beginner version too, and exceeds US safety standards. It includes a bonus bottle of glue. At number 4, the Melissa and Doug Deluxe Created by Me is easy to use and can be enjoyed by little ones as young as 4. Burgeoning designers can create personalized pieces for all their friends by stringing together high-quality letter beads to spell out their names or fun messages. It helps develop motor skills and comes with a wooden storage tray. It can make anklets too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The award-winning Choose Friendship new version includes 56 pre-cut threads in 14 bright and cheery colors. Its patented design includes a secret storage compartment that not only keeps things neat, organized, and tangle-free, but also makes it easy to travel with. It features a butterfly-shaped clip that secures the string, a complimentary app with tutorials, and an integrated phone stand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Bracelet Makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, equally enticing for boys and girls, the 3Bs and Me Complete includes a sturdy wooden block that allows youngsters to create hard-wearing paracord bracelets that can handle plenty of abuse. They clip together via colorful buckles, so putting them on isn't a hassle. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and can be used with any type of string. It's a solid budget selection. And coming in at number 1 on our list, since the biranco Pop-beads snap together via small inserts, you'll never have to stock up on thread. This vibrant kit contains 520 pieces in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes, plus rings, bracelets, and headbands, so your child will have plenty to work with. The plastic is BPA and phthalate-free, and it encourages creativity. There's no learning curve. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Bracelet Makers, or simply click beneath this video.